Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check phone model Android. We start by entering the phone settings. After that, we look for and click on the About Phone option. Here we will find the name of the device as well as other information such as the software version. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.